It's a wonderful day in this on this tree. So, whoa! I almost dropped. Look at this deepness. It's so deep. It's scary. I'm gonna die someday. Those people are talking about how they're gonna die when I am a pro. Whoa.
I have a life.
Being sorry for the sound effects. I don't know how to animate. Bam.
This is probably the safest spot, right?
Whoa.
That's the most dangerous. That
But look at
branch
that.
is about to break. How do you get down? Tell her to move and you can get down.
Look at that. I like water.
But I
People,
just want to get back up.
you know what? Help support wildlife by not littering in water. Because look what happens. All that garbage and stuff. Like, look at there was some garbage. I think it flowed out. But some animals could die. So do not litter. Thank you.